friends, welcome back to Food Prep Guide. We need your help. So while our son was in the hospital and then while we were home just resting and recovering, we didn't do a whole lot of work, but we did a whole lot of brainstorming, and that has resulted in a lot of ideas that we are excited about. And we need your help to figure out which one to start with first. So I'm mainly talking about a YouTube video series that we would do, here on YouTube. So we have 4 ideas, and I'm going to run through each of those with them or with y'all, and if y'all could vote in the comments about which one you would like to see first. If you're excited about all of them like I am, if you could list them from top priority to least priority, that would just really help us so much. So before I get into that, I do want to provide a very quick update on Rami. He is doing fantastic. We are still waiting those secondary test results that came back kind of unconclusive. I think everything has gotten delayed because of the ice storm. I can't even imagine what the medical community is dealing with right now. So I think that's why we are having a lot longer to wait for those test results. So we're still in kind of a little bit of limbo, but as far as healing and getting back to normal life, everything is doing fantastic. He got over the pneumonia very quickly. So thank you for your prayers. Thank you so much. Okay, so let me talk through you the 4 ideas, and I will put them on screen. Like at the end of this video, I'll give you a very quick abbreviated list so that you don't get lost in all the ideas and you can pick which one you want. Okay, so the first one is going to be more mixes in jars. If you're friends of the channel, you are well aware that we love our pantry mixes. We have a mix in jars cookbook. All the links to these things will be in the description box below if you haven't picked up your copy already, or if you're new here. But basically all of your things that you would store in your pantry and then just add water or just add an egg or just add a little bit of oil to, we could potentially do a whole new series and a volume 2 of that. So that's would be the first option, is more mixes in jars. Okay, and the second option is going to be in that same kind of path, but it's going to be more complete meals in jars that are dehydrated. So this is our dehydrated taco soup. Now we did have several we did have a few soup-based mixes in the Mix in Jars cookbook, but I am talking about a series dedicated to more filling type meals. There'll probably be some soups too, but pastas, casseroles, things like that that are dehydrated and stored in a jar. So that would be option number 2, and that would be like a totally different thing on its own as far as a series and maybe even a cookbook. I don't know if y'all be interested in that for dehydrated meals in jars, but that would be idea number 2, okay? Idea number 3 is going to be even more meals in jars, canning meals in jars. With the Meals in Jars cookbook, we could potentially do even more recipes, potentially even a volume 2 cookbook if y'all are interested in that. This is our broccoli and cheese soup base. Don't worry if you're new here, it's canned safely, no dairy, no thickeners, no flour, nothing like that. And we show you in that cookbook and in the video series that we've already done how to turn this safely canned broccoli soup starter into a full creamy cheesy broccoli and cheese soup. I'll go ahead and link that video down in the description box because I know someone's going to be interested in it. So that would be option number 3. Okay, now option number 4 is the one that I alluded to that was already going to be done in February, but my plan got really messed up with this weather. I'm still waiting on some supplies to arrive. Delivery continues to get delayed for obvious reasons, and I need some groceries from the grocery store specifically for that video series, and I can't get to the grocery store right now. So the 4th and final option was the freezer meal prep series. We were going to do freezer meal prep a certain way. I don't want to give away super all the details, but basically we would do the freezer meal prep, and if you're only interested in freezer meal prep, then you would have that video content, but then I would take it a step further and freeze dry those meals to make homemade MREs. I know not everybody has a freeze dryer, so that part, but if you're into freezer meal prep, we were kind of hitting 2 birds with 1 stone, if that makes sense. You would still get your freezer meal prep, and then if you did have a freeze dryer and you were interested in homemade MREs, then you could just continue watching the video and see that process too at the end. So those are the 4 options. Now let me put them on screen and so you can clearly, vote on which ones you want. So the first is going to be more mixes in jars, just like our Mix in Jars cookbook, but a whole lot more, and potentially a volume 2 cookbook. The second option is going to be a full dehydrated meals in jars. So just like our canning meals in jars were full meals it would be a full meal, but dehydrated ingredients instead. So that would be number 2. Number 3 would be the more canned meals in jars. All pressure canning, because they're going to contain meat and vegetables, so it wouldn't be strictly water bath canning. It would have to have a pressure canner. We could do potentially a whole new slew of recipes for that. And then number 4 is going to be freezer meal prep slash taking it a step further and freeze drying your own homemade MREs. Those are the 4 video series that we are heavily considering. I am really excited about all of them, which is why we are, and Stacy is too, which is why we're having a problem nailing it down and figuring out which one we want to do. If you could please vote in the comments below, that would be so helpful. And again, like I said, if you're excited about all of them like we are, if you could just prioritize them, that would really help us to figure out what to do next. Okay, that's all for today, and we'll see you next time. Bye.